Hello guys, we're back today with a great topic, which is declining and accepting an invitation. Every day we accept and decline the invitations. Accepting an invitation is really very easy, but it is a bit difficult to decline an invitation, whether you have a birthday party or you have to go somewhere. But you have to decline some invitation because of some other commitments. Navigation in English, when you are declining an invitation, is actually, especially when you are learning a language, oversharing your plans and talking too much can hurt other person's feeling. You need to handle your language and you should care about your words, what you say, your wording, so the other person should not hurt. Let's suppose your friend invites you to a party. You really want to go, but then you check your schedule. It is changed. You just saw that the schedule is changed and you need to go to school and you need to prepare for exams. So how will you handle this situation? How will you tell your friend and how will he understand? So now I will call my friend Ayaan and he will tell you the phrases. Hi Ayaan.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. Hello guys. In this program I will tell you how to accept and reject phrases. Reject phrases. Number 1. I wish I could come, but I couldn't come because of my exams. Number 2. I couldn't come. I'm so sorry. I have other plans. Sorry. Okay.
Accepting an invitation is really very easy. You just need to tell the host of the event that you are able to come. But sometimes you need to decline, whether it is because you have some other commitments or you have to go, you have to prepare for exams, you have schools, etc. So first of all, when you decline, you apologize. Like, I'm so sorry, I really want to come, but I'm really busy with my exams. And then after apologizing, you give the reasons. You tell why you are not able to come. Like, there are a lot of reasons why you not come. Like, you have accepted an invitation before that same time, or you have exams. You have to prepare for exams. You are busy, etc. So you can use this phrase like, I'm too much busy on the moment. And well, not always you will decline or accept the invitations. Sometimes you need to call someone or you need to invite someone. So how will you invite him? So now I will call my friend Ayaan and he will tell you how to make invitation and how to accept in a good way.
Accept invitations. Number 1. Would you please come to my party? I will very happy if you come to my party. Accepting phrases. What a delightful idea. Thanks for remembering me. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks very much.
Okay, that's what the phrases of making invitation and accepting with a good way.
So now let's move to a recap. Number 1. Accepting making invitations. Okay. Number 1. Would you like to come in my party, please? I will very happy if you come to my party. Accepting invitations. Thanks for remembering me. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks very much. Rejecting invitations. I am so sorry, I have other plans, so I cannot come. I wish I could come, but I couldn't come because of my exams. Okay guys, bye.